In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to resolve the try searching to get started notification that appears on the YouTube homepage, replacing video recommendations. If you're encountering this issue and want to remove it, watch this video till the end. Also, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turning on the notification bell for future updates. There are two main reasons why this notification appears on your homepage: clearing your YouTube watch history or using incognito mode. Typically, when you open the YouTube app, it recommends videos based on your watch or search history. To demonstrate, clicking on the profile icon allows access to the history section. From there, navigating to settings and selecting Manage All History reveals the option to delete watch and search history based on a chosen time range. After deletion, returning to the home page and refreshing will display the notification. To address this, understand that it's not a negative feature, it's a new approach by YouTube to tailor video recommendations based on your interests. Instead of random suggestions, YouTube will recommend videos based on your past views or searches. To resolve this, search for a YouTube channel or video you'd like to watch, even briefly. Then, exit the YouTube app and reopen it. Upon reopening, refresh the home page once or twice to see the updated recommendations. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue and receive tailored video recommendations based on your preferences. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.